Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Wendy with the I, and I am Wendy. On my channel, I talk about a ton of different things. Hopefully, as you guys have seen, most recently I've been talking about my home, and you guys have seemed to really like it. And so thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for all the positive, reinforcement and positive comments and stuff. So I really appreciate that. Today, on this video, I am talking about another piece that I have gotten from Amazon. Can I talk today? I don't really know. It's Monday, so Mondays are mundane. Anyways, so I talked about a piece that I was getting for my living room to go in the corner where that lamp that I put in my bedroom has come from. And so it didn't come on Saturday, which was the day I ended the last video, but it came today, like first thing today. And today's, like I said, Monday. So you should have seen that I pulled it out of the box out in the front. And I like to unbox stuff on my front porch so that I don't bring in the big boxes, and I can break them down in the front and put them in the trash containers in the front. And so that also leaves a lot less stuff that I have to clean up in my house. So that's kind of how I unbox stuff, even the large stuff, even pretty much anything that I've brought into this house. That's kind of how I unbox it. So just a little tip, if you live in a house or an apartment where you can actually leave your boxes outside, that's what I would do. Unbox things outside and then just bring the actual pieces in. Tip. So anyways, so I've done that, and you should have seen me spread out the tree. So basically I bought a tree. That's what I bought. A faux, let's get this right. I bought a faux tree because I'm not bringing anything in here that I have to keep alive. I'm not doing it because I know myself, and I'm not going to do that. So, but I want something that looks pretty real. And I think this tree that I got off Amazon, and the brand is called, I think it's called Naturally Natural. If that's not what it's called, I'll put it up here somewhere. But this brand, the tree looks so pretty. I'm looking at it now. Let me actually turn the video around so that you guys can see what I am seeing. So this is the tree, and I think she is so cute. So this is a 6-foot tree, and there was actually a 7-foot option, but I think I do like the 6-foot tree just so I have I don't know, a little bit of space up there. And I feel like the smaller it is, the more natural it looks. I don't know, but because this one looks so natural, I think the 7-foot one also probably looks really natural. But yeah, I really like this tree. I like that it's giving some greenery to the space that you can tell is primarily, it's primarily khakis, nudes, tans, and blacks. I do have a little bit of greenery right down there, right there at the bottom a little bit. Faux succulent. but everything else is kind of the tans, the neutrals and such. Just, I like that. And this gives it a little pop of color, and I really like it. I think that I might actually dabble into trying more items from this brand, different types of trees and such, because I like it so much. But I'm gonna walk around. I'm gonna try to talk louder because as I go away from my phone and my camera, hopefully you can hear me still. But I'm 5'5", so yeah, 6 is about right. I've just kind of moved the branches and stuff around, and I'll probably continue playing with it as I let it kind of breathe. Also, something that I want to let you guys know. Okay, so another thing that I want to let you guys know about this tree is that, like, initially when you get it, it has a smell to it. It's not bad, but it's like one of those smells where that, how can I just explain it? You know how you have to like take something out of a package and let it breathe a little bit because it smells like it's been compacted, or I don't know, it just has like a smell to it, an aroma, so I don't know, it has something to it. It got something to it, and it's pretty strong. I still smell it. I've tried to spray it with let me show you. I think y'all saw me try to spray it with some Febreze fabric spray, and I also sprayed it with some Lysol, and it's just not like, it's like a chemical smell is what it smells like. And so I think I'm probably gonna have to like raise some windows and just let it air out a bit, but I think the smell, it should go away. So that's the only other thing. And then also, okay, so also another thing that I wanted to point out about the tree is that the base of it, this is how it comes. So it comes with this just like regular black base. So I'm gonna have to find something to put it in, probably some type of bigger vase. And honestly, so now that I'm thinking about it, I think it's a great idea that I do have that extra space up top, because I'm gonna have to put this inside of something and it's probably gonna raise it a little bit. So if I would have gotten the 7-foot tree, it would be, you know, maybe a little bit taller than I wanted it to be. So this was perfect. I think I got the perfect height tree. Okay, so while we're here, let's talk about my plans on the living room in this space here. So as you saw, let me go back. I do have space behind the couch. That's kind of how I wanted it. I wanted the couch to be in the middle of the room, not wall to wall. I didn't want that. I wanted space here. And so because of that, I need to figure out what I want to do. Do I want to do anything with this space, or do I just want to leave it like that? My thought process was to put maybe some cabinetry back here. It's something simple. And I keep going back to like, what do I want to say? I keep going back to like arches. Like I like arches. And yeah, I don't have a lot of arches in the house. Like I used to have arches in the entryways, but I got them leveled out with the remodel. And so bringing some arches back in would be cool with like some cabinetry or something behind here. But I also thought about just putting a big picture on the wall and then maybe getting a like table, like small console table to go behind the couch for some storage space. Because as you can see, I do have like a few things back here, workout stuff that I do actually use. That's why they're out there. So, but yeah, so this is the space, and this is my new little tree. Super excited to have her in the family. And like I said, I might actually, I don't know, maybe I'll put one right there too, but like a different species of tree or something. I don't know, but it's always like a work in progress. Like you always see something that maybe you can add to a room or a space that'll enhance it. And that's, you know, the process that I'm kind of going through right now. But for now, it's all about this little tree, and I really like her. Yeah. Okay, y'all, that's it. that is all I have for this video. I just had the tree that I wanted to show you guys and share with you. Hopefully you guys liked it too, and if you're interested, I will have the link to that tree below. Also, there are a bunch of different options. You heard me talk about the 7-foot option. I think they had like 5 and 4-foot options, and also they have this specific brand also has like a bunch of different other tree options. I've seen a few on Amazon, and also I think they have their own site where you can kind of look and see what else they have available that's not on Amazon. So if you try it out, let me know how you tried it out, and if you like it or not, you think it's real or it looks real or not in person, let me know. I think it looks pretty real. It looks good to me, so I'm excited about it. But yeah, also I wanted to say thank you so much for all the support and the love on the last few videos. They have been home videos that I've been wanting to I've been wanting to get into more home stuff on my channel, but I just haven't really done it, especially since I have remodeled my home. I remodeled my home back in 2020 and finished in 2021, and so I've just been kind of continuously like poking around and doing different things in different rooms, but I think the only room that you guys have like really seen me in is the my shoe room. And so because of all the fashion stuff that I like to do, so I think I want to do more home stuff. And I even actually had someone comment that to me, that I should do like a home series or something. And so I'm definitely thinking about it, and I think I might go about, you know, trying to figure out how to put something out there concerning like what I've done with my home. Maybe take you room by room and kind of give you some ideas around, you know, like what I've done that may help you guys with, you know, what you're doing with your homes. And so let me know down in the comments below if you would be interested in something like that, and like what questions you have with like anything that you've seen in my space that you want me to kind of give you more information on. Someone has already asked me about like my bathroom and the tile in the bathroom and my rugs and different things like that. So I'm definitely excited to share. I definitely am not holding this stuff, you know, just for myself. You know, if you like it, I love it, and I want you to have it too. So yeah, so just let me know. But anyways, that's all I got. I'm looking at a bunch of paperwork. I've got to get my taxes done here soon. So I need to, that's my next project. So I'll be talking to y'all in another video, hopefully soon. All right.